For now, let's listen into Jagdish Mukhi of the BJP, who is going to be BJP's candidate for the Speaker's post decision that has just been announced this morning. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu spoke to him a little while earlier. Let's listen in.
We have with us Jagdish Mukhi from the BJP, who has filed his nomination as a Speaker. So is it true that you were offered the post of Pro Tem Speaker, but you had denied it, refused it, and now you filed your nomination as the Speaker? Why is that?
I would request you to please distinguish between the two. Two are not comparable. Pro Tem Speaker is appointed by the Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, one who is senior most in the Assembly MLAs, irrespective of the party position. And accordingly was appointed. I am thankful to Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, but our party had decided that no MLA from BJP shall accept this responsibility, as the party had thought of contesting Speaker's post. And for that purpose, if any person from BJP accepted this post, then our number would have gone down by 2.
Also, sir, when we're talking about the Speaker post, this is the first time that the vote of confidence is happening first. The Speaker would be elected later. Do you see a certain politics behind that?
This is happening for the first time in the country. It has never happened like this. And definitely there is some plan between them, the two parties. Kejriwal Sahab, I think, does not believe in conventions.
But many are saying that MS Dheer is the nominee for AAP, and they're saying that if they do not get the Speaker post, then they don't have moral right to actually continue with the government, even if they pass the vote of confidence. Do you also see it like that?
No, I don't see it like this. Vote of trust, it will be decided today. And Speaker, whoever wins, it does not affect the life of the government. And there are many examples in our country where Speaker has been from a party other than the ruling party.
Kejriwal has been very pertinent. He has been hitting out at Congress as well as BJP. But Congress, it's different because they're going to be supporting the AAP government. Yeah. Do you see a certain politics playing out in Delhi with Congress supporting Kejriwal?
Certainly, this is, I think, fear among the two from each other. They have come together. It's a strange bedfellows seem to be. And they are calling even names to each other, but still supporting.
What do you think will happen in vote of confidence?
Vote of confidence, BJP is going to vote against the government. That is but natural. What happens today, it depends upon what conspired between the two strange bedfellows.
One final question. How long, even if they pass the vote of confidence, how long do you think this government is going to last?
It's not going to last because the decisions which are being taken, popular decisions, which may not be practical to be implemented. Means Kejriwal Sahab is in hurry to show his popularity by such popular means. But these hardly these can be implemented.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, saying Kejriwal is a man in a hurry. Will he be able to actually put all those things that he put in manifesto right and implement it right? This is what Jagdish Mukhi is saying. With camera person Jagmohan Batola, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for Headlines Today.